Dr. Forest project was set up across 5 countries in Europe to quantify the impact of forest biodiversity on human health. Does forest diversity matter to human health? Could biodiversity decrease negative health impacts? 4 interdisciplinary teams conducted research to answer these questions. Dr. Forest investigated how people perceive forest biodiversity and how actual and perceived biodiversity affects human health. This involved people sorting photos and recordings based on how diverse they thought the forest was, assessing relaxation by measuring a stress hormone in saliva and recording brain waves, questionnaires measuring mental well-being, and an experiment in peri-urban forests with low, medium or high tree species richness. Results show that forest environments are strongly related to mental well-being, and the more a forest is perceived to be visually biodiverse, the greater the benefit. In terms of acoustics, bird diversity had a small, positive effect. Forests can also benefit other aspects of human health. They can protect us from heat. Forest structure is strongly linked to heat buffering capacity, i.e. the cooling effect of forests. Tree composition plays a secondary role, but tree diversity has little direct influence. Forest buffering capacity can be over 10 degrees Celsius on hot days, leading people to perceive forests as cool and comfortable. Forests can be a source of beneficial plants and mushrooms. Higher proportions of conifers can decrease medicinal plant growth and mushroom diversity as they close the canopy and acidify the soil. Some forest characteristics alter the risk of tick-borne diseases, such as Lyme disease. Risk of infection was increased with a closed canopy due to less understory cover and increased humidity. Mixed conifer broadleaf forests showed a 40% reduction in the risk of infection. Greater animal diversity in the forest also plays a role in decreasing the risk of tick-borne diseases. Furthermore, findings suggest that forests can protect us from air pollution, with greater leaf area and crown complexity increasing particulate filtration. Dr. Forest shed light on the complex interactions between forest characteristics and human health. The magnitude of observed benefits depended strongly on the health outcome assessed. Notably, effects were always positive or negligible, never negative. Dr. Forest suggests that forest management should focus not only on tree diversity, but also forest structure and composition. Project findings indicate that biodiversity management can positively impact public health. However, different aspects of forest biodiversity influence various health outcomes, suggesting trade-offs in management approaches. Dr. Forest provides guidelines to optimize forest management for human health benefits and local community needs. These guidelines assist forest managers in devising strategies to enhance health while minimizing risks.